No. Oh, what do you got?
I got
What
stick.
do you got? Wow, here.
It's a stick. That's that one bite. Hey, be careful. That one might bite you.
Oh.
That stick might bite you.
Okay, come on. This way.
Oh, you could use that like a shepherd's hook.
Yeah, looks like it.
Wow. She said, no, I don't want it. You don't want it?
That stick? Come on, the stick.
Nope. Come on, get sheep. Come on, come on, sheep. Get sheep. Get.
Hey, don't run. What I say? Don't run.
Speed walking.
This stuff will scrape your knees.
There you go. A leaf.
Alexa, watch your head too. Those bricks are rough. I'm telling you. Come on, this way.
There might be a vegetable.
Somewhere.
Why?
Oh, let's see. No, looks safe.
What?
Go ahead. Looks safe. Go ahead. Hold on.
Oh no.
What do you think, Aubrey?
Aubrey, we're gonna go overboard.
Oh, look at that.
It's a canal. Bye, Alexa. Nice knowing you. Walking. Alexa, slow down, especially on the hill. Walk slowly.
That'll scrape your
Very
knees.
slowly.
That'll
Good hand first.
No, that
me knees.
way.
What? Give me your hand.
Watch
Give me your hand.
out for us.
Give me your hand.
Why don't you give me a fresh leaf?
Watch out, Ethan.
Easy,
Watch out. There's behind you.
You're backwards
Fresh
walking.
leaf?
Yeah.
What's up?
What's that? It's a leaf. It's a cottonwood leaf. Hot, what's up? What's up?
Why are you dropping leaves?
Because it's fall. They're supposed to be falling. That was a
That
dog.
was a doggy.
That was an old black dog.
What's that?
A lot of doggies like to walk out here. And those are leaves. I feel healthier now, dog.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. There's a deer. Where? Oh, yeah, there's another one. Yeah, a whole bunch right there. Look, they're all right here.
What's the deer doing?
They're just hanging out.
Come here, deer.
Don't go towards them. There's babies in there.
Why?
There's babies in there. Look, see, right there. Oh, look, there's babies.
Why?
There's deer right here. Babies too.
There's deer right here. Where's all the dogs?
They went back way.
Oh, look at.
Oh.
Oh,
What's that? What are those?
What are those? Are they goats? Are they deer? Are they horses?
She's like,
Now
I
she
don't know.
says goats.
Yeah.
Hi,
Hi, guys.
They're deer.
Huh?
Oh, deer.
Oh, oh, there they go.
Oh, she's pretty.
There she is.
Oh, John, look at her buck.
Oh, there he is.
Look at, guys, look at the buck.
That's a young one too.